guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for being here and watching. You guys voted on a scary Halloween makeup, ooh, and that's what we're going to be doing today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and without any further ado, let's jump into the video. So first off, I'm taking the Makeup Revolution foundation stick, and I'm just going to be focusing this on the centre areas of my face. Reason being is because we're going to have black face paint the rest of the face, so it would be kind of pointless. So I'm just putting this on where my skin's going to be showing the most. Next, we're jumping into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm going to be taking one of the kind of orangey shades, and I'm going to be putting that into the crease. I'm going to start to wing that out as well and bringing it into the inner corner. Next, we're taking a brown shade. It doesn't really matter what you use as long as you use these kind of colours to get that vibe, but I'm just deepening up the crease with that shade and starting to wing it out even more. Next, we're going on with this orange shade. I didn't really know what I was actually doing at this point for the makeup. I was just kind of winging it, so I ended up putting this orange shade straight over that and just blending that out, really bringing it into the inner corner and then winging it out. Next up, we're cutting out the crease with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define. And yeah, just going to cut out the crease, and then we're going to be applying glitter. The glitter that we are going to be using is from SARA, and it's called Holy Grail. It's a stunning glitter. I'm really excited to use this. This is the first time I'm using it. I'm spraying my brush just so that the glitter holds a bit better to the brush and sticks better to my eyelid. Next up, we're taking the Maybelline Master Precise liner, and I'm going to be giving myself some wings. This was really hard to do one-handed, by the way, I must say. As you can see, I went a bit ham on the other eye, so I had to match the other one to that. But I think the bold, bigger, longer eyeliner made this look a bit better, because I think if they were shorter, it wouldn't look as good. Next, I'm taking the MAC eyeliner pencil, and I'm going to be smouldering that out underneath my eye. Next, we're going back into that liquid liner, and I'm just kind of giving myself, I don't know what you would call these, just like lines down my face. I'm not being too perfect with this part, to be honest, because I did want it to be quite messy and like scary looking. Down towards the point, I didn't make that as perfect. I started kind of tapering that out just so that it matched up with the rest of the makeup. Next, we're going on with the Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil, and I'm just going to be doing my eyebrows because I have none. I gave myself a more bigger, bolder shape as well, and then what I'm going to be doing is going back in with a black eyeshadow. Just felt like the eyebrows were too light for the rest of the makeup, so I'm just setting that with some black shadow. Next, I'm taking face paint. I got this from PRIMARK. It was like £2 or something. It worked really well, to be honest. The only thing I would say, I would suggest maybe using an actual face paint so that it lasts a bit longer. I mean, this was fine for me because obviously I was just in the house. I wasn't actually going anywhere. But you'll see throughout the video I actually had to go back in and deepen the black with some black shadow. Now I'm just starting to kind of draw the main part of the makeup. I'm not really sure. It's like branches almost. And I'm just going to start filling that in. Now just moving on to the forehead and filling that in. At the end, I do actually blend this into my hairline so the line's not like prominent. And then we're just moving on to the mouth, making little kind of teeth type things, and then I'm going back in with the MAC pencil and I'm just giving each tooth like a really fine point, if that makes sense, so it's not like a block. Now we're moving on to shading, so I'm going to be using those 3 shades to add dimension to the makeup. As you can see, I'm now going back in and making the black more dark, because over time I felt like the paint that I used, the little stick from Primark, it was starting to just kind of like fade away, so I just wanted that to be more dark. So that's why I'm saying I would maybe use like an actual face paint just so it's more dark. Now moving on to the nose, just drawing like a basic skull nose, and then I'm going to be shading that in as well. Just adding the finishing touches now, and that is basically us done, guys. I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Tag me on Instagram if you do recreate this, or Facebook. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and I hope you guys have a good Halloween.